Yo, what up, Ali? Dude, it's crazy. It's fucking. I'm still trying to set this up, is what I'm trying to do. Trying to set it up. My bad. There we go. It's Mo, bro. I got to get some of this shit off my screen, to be honest with you. I got a ton of shiznick on my screenage. Dude, holy shit. Oh no, my fucking screen just halted. Come on. Give us what we want. Good morning, Jay Styles. I want to see us get low, like I need to see us under the orb. Under 116. Come on, get under 116. Oh, baby. Do it. Oh, give us the fucking dump. Under 116, baby. Get low. Get low. Fucking let it go, baby. Let it go. Let it go. Elsa style, baby. Oh. The fuck was that? Hold on one second. Hold on one second, because I was just fucking long. Not long. I was just short. Dude, I want to get long right now, actually. Two things. I want to get long, and I want to find out what that noise was. Take profit. I'm down $4.50. Oh, I think it was an Apex eval. What? I didn't even know I was fucking in anything. Yo, what up, Zaybak? Anyone catch that long last night? You know who gives the ghost noise all the time? is funded ticks. I don't have it up though, but funded ticks will give you the ghost noise a lot, like a lot, like 3 times a day. Dude, I got a lot of fucking. Hold on one second. Hold on one second. I got all these windows of. I got all these extra windows up on my fucking screen, and I'm just trying to. Hold on. I'm just fucking. Okay, my bad. I was clearing out like all my shit to keep the computer fast. I think we're going to go low. Why change the short to a long? Oh, I was waiting for us to sweep these lows and then get long. I've been waiting for that. I was on voice with La Rosa for like fucking a half hour waiting for this. I want it to take lows out and then it comes back up. Yo, funded ticks is crazy for that. I want to see. I bet you there's some dude in like his office that like presses a button and it goes out through everybody's platform. Like, ha ha ha! Everyone just heard that noise. That's what I feel like funded ticks does. Scumbags. Fucking. Holy fuck. Good morning, good people. Yo, why is my space? See, this is the only problem when I do videos. Sometimes, I take this shit off. Would we hit Asia low? Dude, sweep of London lows would be nice. Good morning, Marie. Good morning. Good morning. This wasn't enough for me though. I think we're going lower. Like this wasn't enough, especially how we were like trading like right here. Like that's not enough. I want to see us come lower. What up, Mango? What's up, Dreamer? I want to see us come low. Get out of this fucking zone. I mean, it did get it though. It did catch it. I mean, it's not really the setup you want, but I guess it can work its way back up. I really want it lower, though. Watch it work itself all the way back up. I'm going boo-boo short. Yo, everyone needs a good boo-boo short. I'm just looking at my freaking shiznick. The fucking market sucks today. Just an FYI. This is not the what's up, Mr. Mulatto? This isn't the yes, this is exactly the market I want, you know. I feel like I have other accounts to trade here. I got I have moved some of them off of my other computer just to give it a breather over here. But I definitely feel like I have more. Oh, yeah, you know what I'm missing? I'm missing this one. By the way, I got long at 6:31 yesterday. I posted it in the Discord. It was a fucking banger. It was a banger. I got rebuild on an eval in here. This account is over for a payout. I can actually request $100, but I'm not. I'm gonna wait for one more good day. What up, Sean? Yo, get you through the workday? Catfish Tinder date market? Yo. But what if you get catfish, but they still put out? Are you still happy? How is my weekend? I coached softball. I went to a 40th birthday party. I what else did I do? 50% happy. 40th birthday party, coached softball. I went out to dinner last night, my wife. Dude, I don't even know what I did Saturday. Oh, yeah, Saturday did a little pumpkin picking. Yo, speaking from experience. I did a little pumpkin picking. Yeah, I don't know. It was a good weekend. It wasn't like the most exciting weekend I ever had, but um it was definitely a good weekend. What up, Ray? So this is ugly. This is fucking ugly, ugly. I think net we're going to come down. I'm going to rip a short in here. This is an eval. I'll probably adjust my targets, obviously. Let me just see what we got going. Let's see what we got. Oh, so this is actually London lows, right? Yeah. If we can get down to like 27, I'm going to break even on this account. I want to see it. I want to see it let go into this area. Yo, what up, Barbie? What's up? What's up? Yeah. Motherfucker. I'm holding the other one, but I'm still in short. Too tight. Too tight. Normally I like it, but get my money back. Oh, so what you up to, Barbie? What you doing? Came to fucking just bite me there, though. Oh, dude. Marie plays so quiet and then just fucking lets go. Yo. Man, this market is brutal. Brutal, brutal. Damn, I can't believe AMD is up 35 fucking percent today. That's wild. Yo, 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 what up, Maria? The inmate from jail. If you know Maria's at jail, you can write to her. Oh, you blew the eval? I'll be honest with you, there's nothing great going on. What was the news on AMD? OpenAI is going to invest in them. I think they're going to own 10% of the company. I don't have the exact news, but it was something like that. It's news with OpenAI. Yeah. I'll look it up for you guys. I'll look it up. So I'm okay blowing this because I already have 2 funded accounts, which I can't activate yet. AMD news. Let's see what it is. Major partnership with OpenAI. Yeah. I don't know the nitty gritty with it. Basically, AMD is going to produce enough units to support 6 gigawatts of computer power for their next generation AI systems. This is just the first phase of the deal. And AMD issued, so OpenAI has a warrant for up to 160 million shares of AMD stock that will vest once certain milestones are achieved. Basically, yeah, I mean, it's a pretty good fucking deal. Need cheap evals? Bulenox is 91% off. That's the cheapest one, $16. Bulenox. I'm in this trade to stop me from doing anything else. This is fucking ridiculous. I do think we end up going down, but just waiting. Man, I'll open the Duckies. The Ducky McDuckersons. Yo, I have yet to get a duck in my Jeep. How is that even possible? I was going to be so excited when somebody threw a duck in my Jeep. Almost got stopped out. Anybody actually in something that they're like, yo, yeah, never got one. I've had the Jeep for all summer. No ducks. No, not one duck. I'll send you a duck for your Jeep. I want to just come out of the store and be like, yo, that's so cool. I got a little ducky. Dude, this is where you start blowing accounts. Yeah, don't. You need to put some bait ducks in there so they know. Yo, some duckies with some freaking thigh highs to draw all the other duckies out. My kid isn't. Oh, so yeah, I don't. Maybe it's not a thing by me. Maybe it's not a thing. No duckies. You did get me look at old Broncos, though. I will say that over the weekend. Dude, old Broncos are looking good. I even saw an old Defender. That was pretty cool. What up, TJ? You got a Toro and got a duck. Oh, you got duck. This maybe it's different in Texas. Man, I'm gonna end up with some freaking old car. I just feel it. So yeah, a Raptor. One of my friends has a Raptor. He takes it off roading. It's like the duck capital. Yeah. Just haven't gotten one. I want to come out and there just be one. I wonder if I put this bad boy in my dashboard. He's like the big duck, so everyone can see it. He could be like the lighthouse. I could draw a little face on him, or I just land him on my dashboard. That's crazy. No ducks for me. No duck for you. Dude, I refuse to sell this. Man, I really need them to drop this. I want one to just come out of the store and I just see it and I'm like, yes. I'll be so excited. So excited. There's no ducking going on over here. I'm going to start bringing this guy with me. I'm going to put him on my dashboard. Just let him bob around. Yo, picks on Discord or it never happens. Would you drop? Let me see. I always say you got to post on social media, otherwise it didn't happen. What'd you do? Oh, I thought you posted something. Yo, I'll tell you one thing. In my personal account, I'm up $4,500 today. Feels like a pretty good day. Yeah. They are the next cult stock is going to be fucking. If you're looking for a cult stock, it's going to be Path, guaranteed, almost guaranteed. The news is circulating with them with the OpenAI shit. That's going to be the next big one. Yeah, Path. I made a whole video about it this weekend. I have a stock and options channel. I made a whole video about it. I've been in it since last week. It's PATH. They had news with OpenAI and partnership with OpenAI and NVIDIA. And it popped on the news and it sold completely off. And I loaded the boat. What's the disadvantage of trading SPY? You could do both. I make more. I make more money selling options. It's just what I know, basically. Just what I know. Yeah, I mean that's the only way I can put it. Is the Jeep Wave a thing there? Oh, the only person that does that is my wife. My wife takes my Jeep out, and I don't even know what it is. What is it? 2 fingers, 3 fingers, depending on what she likes. I don't know what it is. It's some type of wave. She says people wave back to her. I don't really know what the wave is. What is the Jeep Wave though? I don't actually know what it is. I know what it is, but I don't know what the wave is. But yeah, she tells me that people wave back. Yo, I just start giving the shocker to people. Let's see what the Jeep Wave is. Bro, it's a 2-finger job. Oh. Oh, it's kind of the peace sign with the thumb out. Yo. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know much about it. It's funny because when I bought it randomly, she was so against it, and now she takes it out. She's like, "Oh, this is the best car ever. I love driving this car." That's what she sounds like. What up, Insane? Yeah, I have a Wrangler, right? I don't know. I got a Rubicon, whatever that is. Doing pretty good, man. Enjoying my day. Yeah, just enjoying my day. Things are going pretty good here. Man, I will say though, so I leave the top off. So I'm in New York and I leave the top off as long as it's not raining. I don't know when I'm going to put the top on for real, but probably when it starts getting to like 40 degrees at night. I don't know if I'll be able to drive at 40, but at 55 in the morning, I still drive with the heat on. Yo, I just crossed up $5,000 in my personal account for the day. This shit's fucking ripping. Yeah. I just have a feeling that this path shit is just gonna fucking go. What the fuck? Oh. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really have yeah, options, Maria. I don't really have a price target. I don't know. I don't know. It could go back down tomorrow. I want to see what happens over the next couple months. I'm not in this just to flip it. So, you know, I don't know. I think it will go back up into the 20s. I think if it could become like the cult stock, like the go-to robotics company for OpenAI and NVIDIA, I mean, you might fucking, I mean, you could shoot up a lot. I don't really know. It feels like the market is just going to keep drifting up slowly until the government shutdown is done and we can start getting some regular news. I don't even know what news is supposed to come out. Dude, let's see what they have on the economic news. The problem is you're getting lack of. So, like, we have a trade deficit tomorrow. And then you just have some Fed speakers. You have the minutes of FOMC, which the minutes don't do shit. That's on Wednesday on a bunch of Fed speakers. Thursday, you get initial jobless claims, but you don't get that if the government shutdown continues. You will not get wholesale inventories if the government shutdown continues. Like, you're not getting all these news releases if the government shutdown continues. So I think we slowly grind up until I just think that it's going to be a slow grind up until the government shutdown comes. It just feels that way. Man, this is some fucking duty action right now. What up, Donovan? What up, Mick? World War II thing? Oh, your wife's Jeep? That's pretty cool. This freaking action is rough. I mean, this is pretty fucking bad. This is pretty bad. That's my phone ringing. Maybe they're gonna bring it all the way back up to the top. I just missed out. The problem why I didn't like this as much as I normally do is because we were already trading right here, and then all it did was just come down and back up. Like, I would want to see like this down and then back. So like I don't like when we're just stopped and we're trading for a while in this area and then it just gives a little bit. You know, I want to see a dumpski and then come back up. Ooh, shit. This is freaking rough. Yo, Bovash. Yo, you ain't kidding, man. I mean, I can't sit here and be like, yo, guys, this looks fucking great. Like, being that the fact that we're consolidating right here above the 200 possibly pushes back up to the top side of the range. You know, maybe not. Maybe it just dumps through. Like, it's not really a trade setup. I'm like, oh my God, guys, this is great. Like, you're right in the middle of the range. Bullish all ducking night. It was. Dude, I posted at 6:31 that I was getting long in the Discord. I seen it. I seen it. I was like, oh man, this is gonna be freaking long. If I wasn't going out to dinner, I'd have bought more accounts, but I was going out to dinner. So I bought in my funded futures account, funded account. I bought in this. This is a funded account. I hit for 579. So I hit 850 in funded my funded futures account. I hit for 579 in this funded account. And I think that was it because I was going out. I didn't want to I never send a friend request, Texas. You will never get a friend request from me. Ever. Ever, ever. I don't give them out. No. Dude. Yeah, I'm not a friend request type of guy. Now, you know what it is? If I start friend requesting, then everybody that requests people that look like my name, everyone's going to accept. And then it's just a bunch of schemers and scammers. A lot of schemers and scammers in fucking Discord, man. I never seen anything like it. Dude, it's just all these fucking scammers. It's crazy. Like they run some bot, I guess. They run a bot to look like the person who owns the Discord and then just fucking goes crazy. Oh. Seth Rogen energy today? Is that good energy or are you just smoking pot? What's Seth Rogen energy? I don't actually know what that is. Yeah. Tell him I need feet pics for KYC. Yo, what up, Lee? Yeah, I mean, shit. Let's see. Just flipping through. I don't know, man. This looks pretty freaking duty. My plan was to stream all day long today, but if this thing doesn't fucking move and we're just sitting here, I'll go eat lunch. I'll go eat lunch and hang out. Question from the old lady. What's up? Am I leaning bull or bear? I mean, I would probably say they're going to take it higher. Especially if you can get back over like 70. What's up, Maria? That's a negative. So I will say it's easier to learn the market when you're trading stocks, I should say, because it's something that you're holding longer term. So it's something that just doesn't change in the next 5-10 minutes. You know, like the NQ can just dump and then you're like, oh, I'm bearish. But like a stock doesn't really work that way. Like if you're bullish on a company in general, like a company, you're hanging out in there for a while. So I was able to get a lot of seat time in the market without really worrying Super boring. But that's how I was able to get a lot of seat time without blowing any accounts. But yeah, just the problem with, I'll be honest with you, the problem with those, like, I would say that you should watch a lot of videos. I would watch videos about, like, I would watch videos about like fair value gaps, liquidity sweeps, I don't know, all different types of strategies. Like I watch videos about people doing stupid, like, people's strategies. I watch, I'm like, what's this guy doing? What's this guy talking about? Like, I'm always interested in seeing what the other guy is doing. And sometimes I'm like, yeah, I'm not fucking doing that. Like, that's so stupid. You're an idiot. And then sometimes I'm like, you know what? Maybe I didn't like the whole strategy, but it opens my eyes about one thing, and that one thing is going to help me out. You know, I would say that I would go into it like that, where you're not looking for a whole strategy, but you're looking for bits and pieces. Ask Marie what she looked at. Marie's looking at some good stuff. Yeah, I would say Marie, I don't know what stuff she has, but she was looking at like the silver bullet strategy, which works. See, the reason why I like when you take out, yeah, she's on Discord. I don't know if she's going to answer you, but she'll probably answer you. But I've sent her multiple DMs and she never responds back to me. I've tried sliding in. She said, no, no, no. Doesn't get back to me. See, like, one of the reasons besides any like liquidity or whatever, say when you take the lows out, right? You're on this side of the range, which means it's kind of like, doesn't mean it's going to bounce, but you're already so far this way that even if you're wrong, you might get a bounce back the other way. You know, like, say this went up here and then dropped more. You know, you're just looking like, you know, you get some type of relief bounce at a minimum, I feel like. So you could be wrong, but right. If that makes sense. Oh, man, this thing can go all the way to the top. This is going to be a slow grind to the top. Yo, Steven. Steven learned from Tory Tan Lines. Yo, you got to do your 3-touch with a safety line. But I'm just going to be honest with you. In a day like today, Maria, most of the people will say it's like a no trade. Just how choppy it is. By the time 10:30 or 11 comes up, they probably wouldn't even trade this the rest of the day. A lot of different strategies that I know of they would just say, I'm not trading this the rest of the day. Like it's super choppy and I'm done. So if your strategy like didn't work today, like this is one of those days. Boom. Boom. Yeah, this is crazy. A little shop-tastic today. Yeah, a lot of people are done. They either didn't trade today or they might have taken this long, which was like a B minus setup. Dude, I think it's just me and you in there, though. I'm in BMNR with you, by the way. I'm in it from last week. I might have just not posted it that I was in it. But I'm definitely in it. I know we're in Path together. By the way, Josh, I think Path is going to be the next cult stock. I just have a culty feeling about it. I didn't even know about Wolf. All of a sudden, somebody told me about it. It was like $20. Did you post about it? I didn't see anything. Like, I don't know why it ran. I don't know what the deal was. Dude, I just zoomed in on your screenshot. Oh, it's Riot. Yeah, so I knew about it. I I don't think it was public in 2018. I knew about it in 2022 or 2023. A cult stock? Yeah, like people like Nvidia. Like Nvidia is different because they're producing, but like like Open is a cult stock. You know, Open went from $1 to fucking $9. That's like BMNR or there's cult stocks are like the stocks could be doing good things, but like everybody on social media starts talking about it. Hims was one, Hood became one. Even though they're good companies, it's just like everybody and their mother is fucking talking about it. Dude, I remember Iran was at I want to say $8 and I was in it. I think it's at 40 something. Oh, it's at 50 fucking 6. Dude, this was a while ago. This was like I'm talking Iran from like yo, yeah, like April, May, I knew about IREN that it was some what they were doing, and I didn't believe it. I mean, listen, do your own research, Texas. I would do your own research. Um, I'm fully okay with losing. You know, I'm fully okay with losing. I would say do your own research, definitely. Because market's rough, AD. But yeah, I mean, it's one of those that are interesting. PayPal is starting to get talked about a lot also. Yeah, I was talking about Celsius a lot on its recent pullback down to $25, $30. And then they acquired that international company and it popped and then dropped. Dude, I'm sitting on right now, I'm sitting on 1,600 shares and I sold a bunch of puts. That's where I'm at with that. I mean, yeah, man. I mean, I'm up over $5,000 today in my personal. Yo, what up, Tyler? I'm not. I'm not done. So if you use a margin portfolio, I'm not saying to use margin, but if you're only buying stocks, I would never purchase premium with margin account, Josh. But if you're just selling puts and buying stocks, margin will, listen, you can obviously lose more money, but it gives you access to more money. Nah, the options premium doesn't have a ton of juice. Dude, that's a nice gold trade, man. I swung long on the NQ overnight. I should start playing fucking gold. I don't know why I don't play gold. Probably because I've been fucking dick kicked 1,000 fucking times with gold. Actually, a pretty good setup. Is that Friday? Sunday? Dude, Sunday, Monday, Sunday it opened up. I'm just trying to look. Where did it open up at? Oh, this was the first bar. I guess the breakout, retested, and then went. Yo, Path, the juice on Path shares are yeah, it's just not there yet. I'm with you on it. The fuck? Yo, funded ticks payout? Yo, funded ticks? I grabbed 2 of those Lucid accounts on 50% off. I felt like I had to. It was $67 all in. I grabbed. I still haven't traded it though. Bro, Oscar's at $22 right now. How crazy is that? I sold my 7 contracts today. I sold puts and I own shares. Bro, Oscar's fucking. Oh, you're freaking long? Yo, on those Lucid accounts, what is it? End of day accounts, right? Dude, I didn't even see that you grabbed Wolf. Dude, that shit went way up. I don't even know what the news was. Yeah, I don't know about buying up here. I have 700 shares that I'm still holding. I sold 7 contracts and I got 700 shares. I'm just holding. I'll see what it brings me. I almost grabbed some of that the other day. Man, this NQ's sucking. This NQ is just brutal. I mean, they're doing that share buyback. That's awesome. Man, there's nothing here that I'm like, yo, this is fucking great. I actually got out of ETH. We were in 8x long and got out of it. Dude, over the weekend, I played EVAA for 134% gainer. I was down on other shit, though, so it made back my money and then made a little bit after that. I was dicking around with super high leverage, pretty much. The gainer was good, but it wasn't like massive dollars or anything. Trying to find the sweet spot on leverage, how much leverage to do with ETH, Sol, and then how much to do with some of these shit coins. Yo, just watch TTD. That's one that I've grabbed some shares low already. Yo, is NQ moving? We got a mover? Holy shit. We're going to finally shift out of this? Come on, baby. Do something. It's like that fucking meme with the stick guy. Come on. Do something. I do feel like they're going to bring it back to I might go all in on this. Do not follow this. I can't access any more funded accounts because I'm maxed out and I have 2 more accounts in the wings. So don't follow this at all. This is like a all-in situation. But even if I pass it, I can't even activate it. Even if I pass it, I can't activate it. Dude, I need a bunch of short covering, Fred. I need all the shorts to cover right now. All the sim shorts need to cover. Dude, this is crazy. Dude, this market fucking sucks. I'm not streaming completely through. This market is just killing me. I'll just get out with fucking minimal gains. Dude, I'd rather come back early. I know. I'd rather come back at like 1:45 instead of 2 or 2:15 and just go get food. I got to jump off. I got to jump off anyways. I'll be back at 2 o'clock. This sucks. All right. Peace.